Hello everyone, how's it going today? I'm going to introduce how to install this aluminum alloy screw for the mailbox cover on my motorcycle. First, you need to take this screw. We won't open the cover. We'll directly use the hex wrench to loosen it. Let's start by loosening this screw first. Okay, now let's replace these 3 screws. These 3 are longer and are mainly used to secure the fuel tank cover. In terms of strength, you only need to use a small amount of force. Just a little bit of pressure with your fingers is enough. Less force to you only need a bit of force, and that's fine. Alright, just a bit of force is fine for this. These 2 are the shorter ones. It's a bit longer now, but it's still okay. It's that simple. We've replaced 5 screws like this. It's all installed now. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and we'll be more than happy to help you out.